Hi guys, Cyril White, certified financial planner with For Financial Management in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Go Blue. And it is my mission to help as many of you be as healthy and as wealthy as I possibly can. And one of the areas that I'm very interested and passionate about, as you know, is sustainability investments. Are you really making an impact against those companies that are doing things that you don't agree with? Is it better not to own those or to own those perhaps in your portfolio? Some people, and it's two schools of thoughts, it's whatever you're comfortable with. Some clients felt better if they just didn't own any of those companies. And this is kind of a misnomer with some people. They think that by not owning the shares of certain companies, you are penalizing those companies. And perhaps to an extent that's true if enough investors get together and they don't buy the shares of those companies and there's not as much of demand for them, then theoretically the price could perhaps be lower and it'll affect the share price and hence the overall value of the company. However, some people think that you're taking money away from the company when in most cases, unless you're investing in what's called an initial public offering, that's not the case. Because basically, like if I own shares of and I want to sell them and you want to buy them or someone else wants to buy them, you're buying them from me. You're not buying them from the company unless it's what's called an initial public offering. And most investors aren't involved in initial public offering unless you're a very large institutional type investor. So you're really not affecting the company by selling your shares to another investor. You're not affecting their bottom line. You're not affecting the capital raising capabilities of that company. But if it makes you sleep better at night, if it's important for you in terms of your values, then that's important, and that's what we help our clients do. The flip side of that is the other philosophy in impact investing or sustainability investing or social responsible investing is that you want to own the shares of the companies that you do not agree with from a social standpoint so that you can be able to vote the proxies. And if you get enough investors that own enough shares of a company and you vote what's called the proxies, you could affect some type of management decisions. You can affect who's on the board of these companies and things of that nature. So those are really two kinds of opposite ends of the spectrum of philosophies in terms of socially responsible investing or sustainability investing, also known as ESG, which stands for environmental, social, and governance type investing. And I hope you found this educational. If there's anything that myself or my firm can do for you or your family in terms of financial planning, wealth management, tax preparation, tax management, or estate planning, please let us know and we'd love to help you. Thanks.